Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a protein brownie. This brownie that I'm about to make is about 200 calories. It's got about 18 grams of protein. It's less than 5 net carbs and less than 5 grams fat. Okay, so it's amazing, it's delicious, and as you know, most brownies are high in fat, high in carbs. Mine is low in fat, low in carbs, high in protein. Okay, so we're gonna get started. This is a 1/4 cup, one of the little mixes of the chocolate cake mix, okay? I got it in here. And what I'm gonna do is add egg whites. I'm sorry, this is 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and then a 1/4 cup of egg whites. Now when I mix this, I have a delicious chocolate cake, okay? Look at this texture. All I have to do to all my mixes is add egg whites and Greek yogurt, and I'm making a delicious high protein meal replacement, okay? So if I microwave this right now, I would get a chocolate cake. But I'm not making a chocolate cake, I'm making a brownie. So what I do to make a brownie is I add 2 tablespoons sweetie, 2 tablespoons cocoa. I like to use Ghirardelli cocoa, and I sell that on my website too. And I add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, okay? This is the stuff that comes in the can. See how thick it is? It's thick like heavy whipping cream, but instead of getting your fat from dairy, you're getting your fat from coconut, which is a much healthier source of fat. So now I'm gonna mix it. Now look at the texture. The texture totally changes. We are going to microwave this for about 2 minutes, and it comes out real ooey and gooey and delicious. And then I'll put the chocolate chips on it, okay? So we'll be right back with this. See how that's so much thicker? See how much one mix can make? And this just goes to show you all the different things you can do with the chocolate cake mix. There's tons of recipes for it. We'll be right back. Okay guys, see how that came out? I microwaved it for 2 minutes. And again, this is a meal replacement because it's so high in protein. And I just take some of these Lily's chocolate chips and throw them on there. And good luck trying to eat all this. It's that filling. It's very hard to finish it all. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We love you. This is just another way you can eat healthy. Visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can find more recipes like this. You can shop online. Or if you live nearby, come visit us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.